them, two of them, so the crew of them, I will wind them. Put a three of them, put a four of them, even more of them, I will grind.
Listen, guys, you know the style, so Dyema the creator, Dutty Whine have a lot for say. Meanwhile, our boyfriend, a monster, with a try to share, but you don't know what you say, no one ever never change it. You shall never say,
Me no look how far Matterhorn you there in a foreign. Sit down in a studio for me bumbuck like name. Big man, I want to make people lose respect for and this one, you know. Cause you use me the biggest. Matterhorn, you use me the biggest out of everybody. Remember me said, remember me build Dutty, you never tell me, you never go on an interview yet to involve me. You never big up me yet. I want you alone. How much years I want you see you put up about creative Dutty. You never said that to nobody yet, brother. And you take all of my glory, all of my forward, and everything. And you use me the biggest out of everybody. So if Monster want to use it, I make him get it too. Move your blood clot and go. I want to make people this, you know. When people respect, I want to make people this, you know. Go on and sit down and watch me. I don't want to grow me, I don't want to bring me for all of my mama bring me, I'm 40. You can't tell me how the blood clot live. I miss a young street and take a chat. I don't go all over no time my blood clot all. I already go all over. You see, all over, I go to want to take back things. I go to me like buy things. Fuck on that thing about Rasta Israel. Me and Rasta live all long, boy, 8 months ago. I'm going a 9 months now. Rasta live film life and me I live film me blood clot life. Fuck do you know? What do you know? Eh? Man, me build Dutty Whine. You talk, you the Matterhorn, you true they talk how much. You know look good because I use the little boy I try use my head giddy. Matterhorn you use me biggest out of everybody. Matterhorn you build, me build Dutty Whine you build the song. And you do a video, and in front of the video, you hear Dyema. I know one of them. I'm in a no bumbuck like video. Matterhorn never can me go nowhere. You never give me a 2 minutes, you yet you give me a bills. So what you say? You never go up on an interview, yet and say Dyema. Out of the blues. Me see you put up for your page, say the creator, out of the blues. Out of the blues when no. You not go like a bagger man, me blood clap. Remember me bring the Rasta on the scene. You not go like a Rasta bring me. And me bust the Rasta and the Rasta bust me. What the fuck do you know? I don't want nobody to sit down for me. I don't want nobody to talk about no use. Because amount of blood clot you use me out for yourself. Nobody talk. Fuck you, I say. I'm not around here when I talk about big. Me don't say, yeah, talk about be careful, him young and rare. Everybody know, some big man worse than the young boy them. Right now, not for the young boy them have better meditation than big man. Because some of them big man are careless and behave like say, yesterday, them ban last night. That me I try to tell you no. Me no want to talk about no use. Matter if you talk about nobody go use me. Because you use me the biggest out of everybody. You never yet give me a props about Dutty Whine yet. You never go for an interview. The first interview me watch upon Matter you tell somebody about you go one club in England. You not big up marital them none at all. You not giving enough forward. And I'm mobby you come and walk away and come see you do with things. So me no want you to talk nothing about. Matter that you respect me not go and worse than this, you know. You sit down where there's some my name in a studio. Far. That me want to know. Everybody come and take a use off of me for highlight. Wanna say. Big old Dutty Whine do. Big old Dutty Whine do. I in front of the song I have. Dyema one of them. And a different girl in the video. Matter you not give me no highlight, you not put me in no video. You take all like props. You not give marital them no highlight, you not give me none. You go like a field, you go like a you-belly dance. Most of the time I see people tagging at something, you not tag me back. I mean if you go on and go comment. That me I tell you. So you know if you talk about no, look boy young and Gideon. Matter I tell you something. A young boy me there, I Rasta. I your blood clot friend, I biggest band me ever there with. Me not there with big man. Me not a little boy me there with. That man son of 19. And I live monster when blood clot 10. What that have to do with honor? What that have to do with honor? I live monster when 10, 6, 5, 4, 3. What that have a blood clot do with honor? Yeah, this is a blood clot number. 120, so look at 13 blood clot year old. And I brief is some 56-year-old man, a 70-year-old blood clot man. When you can't tell nobody how to live them pussy whole life. Every time when you see man post them, man, you know how they about. Rasta they live in life, and me I live in my blood clot life. Me and Rasta left 8 months or long now go 9 months. What the fuck you not talk about? Eh? If Rasta no buy me no furniture, Rasta buy 2 pieces of something every time I catch him one look AC and one look Wi-Fi and put on him same one. What the bumbo clot do no? And anyone wanna come back on my page can comment about no Rasta and left no young boy. I disappoint a black out on a bumbo clot, yeah. You no sit down and tell me how to program my life. Me no program me no tell me how to live. I show a man style on never see me post. I be a young boy, me David. Who don't know that don't know me? That me I tell you now. And first of all, the Rasta never big. Because I'm still 12 years older than the blood clot Rasta. He just look all she have and beard. That me I tell you now. I'm still 12 years older than the Rasta. Who just loving a people business too much. Who no social media. And who can't tell people who for them who for go suck on no mama. Some man they behind closed door and they with that picnic we are 12. Me with this out on no blood clot. Me no want matter me no hear them for me name I can't talk about. But be careful. Remember say him young him have to freestyle. Him not come have to stay. Sure look see down that me when he ready for go on him go on and start go. Blood clot don't know. Eh? Remember me all before him. If him feel like he want Lego too nice to a young one and this and he want to go about his business, go fuck to young girl. That not have nothing to do with me. We are superstar. We have to freestyle. If you want to go freestyle have a film business, that not nothing to do with blood clot me. How much boy a fuck pan girl when you young? Eh? How much boy a fuck pan girl when you don't want me to sit down and stay blood clot rasta because every day I take back things. Where? When I go and live by blood clot rasta. Come out of my life alone, me bumbo clot man alone. I live my 10, 6, 5, 4, 3, that not nothing to do with no suck or no matter. Yeah, that one or two. The class them.
Who that?
Class matter and everybody when they come talk about. Let's be alone me the cuss they not tell me that after me time. Maybe want my life come back for class. They not tell me that man stuff. You soon go cook. Hold on. Me not stop. Me I look at my mouth for me if me not cutting no life. Me the class them no use me out. Them you want use me supposed to use me.
Why use you?
No, but if you want use me know that. Me not cut it no tell me. Go on man go for the road you come in never. Me not cut it. Me not cut it. But if you young you want freestyle hour, that not nothing to do with it. And them big enough for them use me. What around use me out too. And be Dirty Whine song I'm in the front. What you mean? Wait so long I stood up on my blood clot him for. But around have your wife I wanna fuck me busy with me a company I contact in business. Now come out of my life. Don't tell me that. If you want go sex all 100, you have not blood clot do with it. Don't have nothing to do with no boy. No man at all no come for stay. And no man at all no care how no married and no say till death do us part. All the man a fuck for all man. The blood clot there. How much time all man blood clot married till death do us part and all boy gone about them business gone one young girl give them their cocky suck and them suck there. Left them wife in a house.
Yes,
What other man?
Me don't fool.
A so cook. And I talk about
Me don't fool yes man.
no me talk me live.
Stop follow up negative.
Man, so me not tell me talk. Every time my blood clot post him, I'm a Rasta this and Rasta that. Alright, Rasta go about his business how long no one live in life and me I live for me. So I'm confident Rasta forever, amen. And the Rasta bring me and me bring Rasta.
Amen.
And the Rasta bring me. No man, me never make confident Rasta forever, amen. Blood clot. Rasta live in life for one other side. And me I live my life. Me Rasta live for the said lane, you know. And Rasta have his woman. And me have my man. And Rasta not make it be a problem to him. So what make Uno make it be a problem to Uno? That I want to know. Why there be a problem to Uno? Age is just a fucking number. Because some of Uno so no big Uno cocky dead, no have no use. Somebody not time for no funeral service, no home. We don't come for this and not home to come out. I live my life. You know, see, everybody are dead. Get why young boy stand up in this until daylight. Where? And the man some want talk, man. Much face to you. What? I tell them and talk too much.
I'm not getting a food for now,
eh?
I'm not getting a food for now. Eh?
What's all over
I'm not getting a food.
Go on, man. So you been carrying me cause serious. You come back quiet about food.
I'm with a living me here from
that. That have nothing to do. You know some more long.
Lenny not come from Banywood.
Eh?
Lenny.
It's nice to go swoop you know. When I talk, my life gone all I'm going to talk. Man, so I can't quarrel in here. I can't kill my voice, I want to talk something.
That's why I want to cook the food and stuff.
Go on, man. I'm not going to do over this.
Service almost like talk done.
I'm not going to do over this. If you talk right now, man, say it easy. Every time I post it, I Rasta this, Rasta blood clot. You know, no love people business. Because me and Rasta live on the same lane. And me and man go on my yard. Rasta no business with way. And no love people business too much. And me and Rasta live same place. Rasta they live film life on one side and me I live film life on another side. That me they try show no, I don't love people business too much. Me no want no old boy for me want a young boy for some of me till be like who no blood clot and go. Awa. Me no want no all house come tumble down for me. Me not keep all close party. No tired you know easy. I look Rasta look me I'll take him up. Come not take up nobody over 21. Remember me get a charge sheet already. A young street, me say I take a charge feed. If you know when no mood, I won't know. That's how man say. I man say when that man say 19. I if man say when one 6 blood clot year old 10, 9, 8. That not nothing to do with. Oh no. Man say go on no. Man say go on. Now go out the road then. Come in now go down.
So I got the food.
Man say me go cook go on no.
I'm hungry.
Yeah no. People got hear that background no. Be careful cuss in peace. Pussy clot. People my ear, you know. Wanna come a whole up argument for me, but when I talk about people Dyema do this, I mean this telling us me this Rasta. Who don't know nothing. The Rasta this up my blood clot and tell me say more back him AC and him suck and me leave him alone. What do you mean by that? And him something. A Rasta gone in ways and me gone for me ways. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? And the Rasta they live in life and me I live for me and the Rasta live on the same lane. Me and the Rasta live on the same lane. Rasta live film life for one side and me I live for me. What the problem? Who not go like my Rasta? My mother never will out my crutches give nobody at all. This never will out. My mother never will out. I say will out the Rasta to keep it. Move for your son, me tell you now. If me now go and look for Rasta page or comment over Rasta blood clot page. Go and look for Rasta woman over Rasta page. I comment on that day. What me come over for me? Rest me man. Who no on my page in a studio? We are foreign. We are Florida. I'm in a studio. No sit down on my name. What no sit down on my name? For matter of fact, my name. Go sit down for all. Make me get no riches out of Dutty Whine. Or you never came up on no tour yet. Nah, no, you never came up on no tour. You do video. I mean name there front. I mean in a no video. You get a back out. Now the ring. I mean there front. Matter of fact, when you alone, hungry, kill me. So you know if you talk about nobody, go style nobody. Cause you never give me an island. You never bring me on a show with you yet. For me know you. And up to what day you me get. Up to what day I get award, me still big up you. I when you go around me still a big up you. And you call me, alright, you call me as a man if you respect me. You call me, you say something to me. You say Dyema, Ray. I say, alright brother, me hear what you say. You gone back a studio and sit down for me. No matter me not tell you how to live your life. Me not tell you how to live your life for foreign. So what make you come and tell me how to live my life? Me there with your blood clot friend and never win a quarrel. You never win a quarrel, so your friend go style me. But up a man say, you no hot for. You no hot for monster. Your friend never get blood clot promotion to and use it too. Eh? Nobody ever, you never quarrel me there with your friend, but after my son, no problem. Eh? And if you don't know me for here, anybody know me say, me no go all about blood clot. Me no go all about, if you take bus come and told me, say drive Young Street. No go all about. Me no know all about look. Think I'm feisty like one. Me no want nothing in my business. Every man so why you make him use blood clot. Me nobody no come have his stay. Make him go and sex out instead of him till daylight, till in time come go and young. What do you mean by that? Nobody never come have his stay. Nobody no come have his stay. All if I'm married. When the old man them married and them foot a shake, so we take them a shake go a club. One them cocky suck. Left them wife in a house and I look woman see him way, so what I say? Sweet me, you see.